Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to full sec. In today's video I'm gonna show you guys how to use Instagram hashtags properly and strategically to gain the maximum amount of exposure and expand your reach and gain more followers in exchange. A lot of the times Instagram algorithm keeps updating and there are always new changes, and unfortunately people fail to adapt to these new changes, and I see people misusing and abusing hashtags all the time. So I'm gonna show you guys how to exactly and properly and effectively use Instagram hashtags to gain the most amount of followers every time that you post a new content. Make sure you guys watch until the end of this video to learn more about Instagram hashtags and how to use them in it right way. Let's dive right into this video. Alright guys, the most common mistake that I see people doing with hashtags is that they literally abuse and misuse hashtags by dumping a bunch of random hashtags right underneath their captions or even in the comments down below. And because of the new Instagram algorithm, whenever you do that, algorithm automatically detects you as a quote-unquote scam, because they don't want you to be abusing hashtags by putting random hashtags underneath your caption randomly, hoping that you magically get more exposure. But that's not how it is, guys. I'm gonna show you guys how exactly you guys can do to maximize your exposure. So right here, hopefully you can see my screen. Let's say I want to post this picture right here at the Samsung Galaxy S20 pictures, a random photo, and here's the caption. As you can see, the first thing that I recommend you guys to do is copy this entire thing and put it in your notes, because you can't work really well here the small space. So I'm gonna go ahead and paste it in the notes. You can use the default notes app on your iPhone, or you can use any other notes app. Let's say this is the caption that I was writing. Right, the number one mistake is that you see those hashtags right under my caption. That is the wrong way to do it. The proper way to do it would be to incorporate this hashtag right into your caption. So let me show you guys what I mean. Let's say I want to use Samsung as a hashtag, right? Samsung is one, and then Galaxy S20 is another, and then S20 Plus is the third one. You get what I mean, right? So another one right here, height smartphones, and another popular one right here, tech. So now I can completely delete these hashtags now. As you can see, I'm getting the benefits of both the hashtags and a good long captions, and I recommend you guys to write a long caption as possible, because usually Instagram favors long captions whenever it's ranking the post. So as long as you write a good high quality caption, that would be great. So now you can copy this and paste it to your Instagram captions. By doing this, you're pretty much getting both the benefit of high quality hashtags that actually relate to your post and a good long caption. So this is a win-win situation. So hopefully you guys learned something new. That is it for this quick video. If you guys have any other tips related to using Instagram hashtags more effectively, drop it down in the comment section below. Also, if you guys are new, leave a big like and subscribe down below for more content just like this one. Thank you guys again for watching this video. Stay safe. I'll catch you guys in next one. Peace.